Right, so here's a new set, although we've had it in stock about 5 years. The Luiton LT298, which is a CE MultiNorm set, and I don't have that many moans about it. Just don't like CPU noise. It's sat on channel 19. Let's change. It's got one or two things on the mic, including the only way to access auto squelch. So let's see if we can run it on auto squelch for the whole test. Let's go to Mr Chippie channel. So it is a EU UK FM set. The way it comes, you can reprogram it so that it works in other countries and also in AM mode when in the CPT band. And we will test it on AM mode because it is licensed to do that. Otherwise we wouldn't. RF gain is only operational on AM, so as an FM set it does absolutely nothing. It doesn't say that on the box, but it does say on the instructions. So when you bought it you find it doesn't really have RF gain. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll put my extension squeaker in.
Roger that. Let me know when you're ready, of course.
Mic's a bit too light, but there you go. Roger, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger on that. So according to my service information, this is the same innards as a President.
Right, we're back in the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this one there's no tone control.
Roger.
I'm telling you all this rubbish and I can't even remember what it was. I said in the main
Right,
video.
we're coming up to the end of the line.
President something 3, Roger, and that got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, and we're not late.
Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Have you got you at Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Jolly good, it wasn't too long then.
Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
When you got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner loud and clear. 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner loud and clear. I'm on
a Luiton LT298, which is it was new 5 years ago when I bought it. MultiNorm mobile. He's doing 3.5 watts, just check with that, 3.4 watts on this frequency, and it's being new set on with the factory original mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, when we get to the 5 mile point, we're going to do AM and FM. It's going to be a faff at this end.
Yeah, roger that, no problem.
Talking to you on the radio, I had some post come today, and it was a 7-inch single, and it's we've been doing records and things on a Friday in tapes, and this was the Laura Workman, well, his name, David Travis basically, has a different name doing the Convoy TV. That's been kindly sent to us by our mystery benefactor Alan, so that's going to be good fun putting that on. He also sent a CD of something else which we've never had. Over to you.
Yep, roger that, all received. We've gone over Wilsford level crossing, long gone.
Problem at all. It's because I'm ratchet joying.
Yeah, I know. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
What about you at the Grays at the Kelby turn?
The Grays Kelby turn, that's a new one. Passing the Greyleys turn.
You got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Go 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Luiton LT298, and it's drawing 1 amp to do 3.5 watts. So what we're going to do now is to go over to CEPT FM, and we'll try and communicate on this same channel. So channel 31, CEPT FM. I'm going to have to do some faffing.
Yeah, roger that, so I'll go over and wait for you.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, right, I'm talking to you on CEPT channel 31.
Yep, roger that, I'm receiving you on channel 31. It's not as good as UK, but there you go.
No, it never is. Foreign interference, let's see if we can communicate on AM.
Roger that, I'll go over to AM. Once again, I'll wait for you.
Sure. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, AM CEPT.
Tango 21, yeah, receiving you loud and clear, but very noisy.
Yeah, absolutely. Never quite as good range. So we'll go back to UK channel 31.
Yep, roger that, back to 31.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, that's it. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Luiton LT298 and it's drawing 1 amp to do 3.5 watts. So what we're going to do now is to go over to CEPT FM and we'll try and communicate on this same channel, the channel 31 CEPT FM. I'm going to have to do some faffing.
Roger that, so I'll go over and wait for you.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, right, I'm talking to you on CEPT channel 31.
Yep, roger that, I'm receiving you on channel 31. It's not as good as UK, but there you go.
No, it never is. Foreign interference, let's see if we can communicate on AM.
Roger that, I'll go over to AM once again, I'll wait for you.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, AM CEPT.
Tango 21, yeah, receiving you, loud and clear, but very noisy.
Yeah, absolutely. Never quite as good range. So we'll go back to UK channel 31.
Yeah, roger that, that's 31.
10-4. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, that's it. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. I must admit that was one of the better AM tests we've done.
Well, I'm just about to say, despite more noise AM, I think the transmitted audio quality was better on AM than it is on FM.
Makes you wonder whether a lot of these MultiNorms, some of the money's gone on AM.
Yeah, I mean the FM TX quality it's a little bit over loud and a little bit distorted around the edges, whereas the AM was really clean.
There you go. They've done a better job of AM than they have on the speech system on FM.
Yeah, no, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. 149.7 and 161.9, so it changes a little bit here.
That's probably the best you've seen for petrol, isn't it?
Yeah, 149.7, but in reality it's 149.9, of course.
So if only we knew what Ancaster was selling it at.
Yeah, that's right.
Right, that concludes the test, thank you.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Okay.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Oh yes, do you have a petrol price for me?
I've got 149.7 and 161.9, so it changes a little bit here.
That's probably the best you've seen for petrol, isn't it?
149.7, but in reality it's 149.9, of course.
Yes, so if only we knew what Ancaster was selling it at.
That's right.
Right, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that,
10-10. Okay, well that worked fine. So, yeah, I mean, on the AM test was one of the better tests we've done. And that's interesting, he says the speech processing on AM is better than it is on FM. So, it's clearly an electret condenser mic you get with it because it's light as a feather. Too light for its own good. So what didn't I like about it? When I was looking through this and reviewing it, I don't like it's got quite a small speaker. But then a lot of sets are the same these days. I don't like the fact it gets CPU noise. But other than that, at least it's got a squelch control and it works fine. So these were like £49.99 at the time. I know they've been and gone, but there you are. Right, we go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900. Seeing as it's kind of Halloween, we just thought we'd put our aloe vera plant in shot in its pumpkin pot.
Tango 21, testing the Luiton LT298 into our Midland 76900 base station on its factory original microphone, testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and as ever, thanks for watching.